The Magic Paintbrush. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a girl named Mia. Mia loved to paint. She painted flowers, trees, and animals. One day, while exploring an old attic, she found a dusty paintbrush. It looked very special, so she decided to take it home. Mia began to paint with her new brush. To her surprise, whatever she painted came to life. She painted a bluebird, and it flew around her room. She painted a big, bright sun, and suddenly, her room was warm and sunny. Excited about her magic paintbrush, Mia wanted to help her village. The villagers were sad because their crops were dying. Mia had an idea. She painted fields of golden wheat and colorful vegetables. The next morning, the fields were full of life. The villagers were amazed and very happy. Mia continued to use her magic paintbrush. She painted a river to bring fresh water and flowers to make everyone smile. The village became beautiful and lively again. But one day, a greedy man saw Mia's magic. He wanted the paintbrush for himself. He tried to take it from her. "Give me that brush," he shouted. But Mia was clever. She painted a giant wall that surrounded her and the brush. The greedy man was trapped. Mia smiled and said, "This brush is for helping, not for greed." She continued to use it to make her village a better place. Everyone loved Mia, and they all lived happily ever after.